everyone. So today we are going to do something with LCM and HCF. Till now we know how we can calculate our LCM, that is our lowest common multiple, and our HCF, that is our highest common factor. In this picture you can see that I have used two circles to identify LCM and HCF. Here if you see this number 90, if you do prime factorization you can find that these numbers 3, 5, 2, 3 are the factors of 90. So if when you multiply this all factors 3, 5, 2, 3, you get 90. So this 3, 5, 2 and 3 are there for 90, as well as for 36. As we know the factors are 3, 2, 2, 3. So these factors if we multiply we will get 36. And you can see that this 3, 2, 2, 3 is again there. So this circle, the second circle, let's say this B circle is representing 36, whereas this A circle is representing 90. And you can see that in between them, this 2 and 3, these two, these two factors are common in them. So if you multiply these two factors, that is 2 3s are 6. So 6 will be the common which is there in 90 also and which is there in 36 also. So if we talk about this 36, we can write using that common 6, we can write that 6 or we can say that 3 into 2 into 6. And for 90 also we can write 90 is equal to 3 or 5 into 3 into 6. So you can see 6 is common there. So this 2 and 3 are making the 6, which is nothing but the highest common factor. So common factor means the portion which is common for both. And LCM means that if you take this all numbers also and multiply them all with our HCF, then we will get LCM. So you can write that this 3 into 5 into 2 into 3, this is the HCF, into 3 into 2. So if you multiply this all, then we will get the LCM of 36 and 90. So this is generally a pictorial view, or you can say how you can visualize it, like how you can see the HCF and LCM. So the common part is HCF and the whole part is your LCM. Now talking to some of this kind of word problem, how we can use this LCM and HCF. Let's see here. In this problem we have seen that Kamal has 6 cans of regular soda and 15 cans of diet soda. So two kind of sodas are there, regular and diet. He wants to create some identical refreshment tables that will operate during the American football game. So he wants to cheer the footballers. That's why he wants to make some table where equal amount of regular soda and diet soda will be distributed. He also does not want to have any sodas left over. So have any sodas left over. So he does not want to have any soda which is left over. He wants to use all of the soda bottles or cans. What is the greatest number of refreshment tables that Kamal can stock? First of all, I will not give you trick right now. So let me talk about the question. So we have 6 cans of regular soda. So I am drawing some cans with let's say this blue color. So these 6 soda cans are this one, this one, this one, this one, this one and this one. So there are 6 cans of soda, let's say, and we have 15 diet soda. So diet soda I am using violet color. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15, let's say. So I have to arrange in some way so that every table is having equal number, like same number of this regular soda and diet soda. So in that case, you can see that I need some common thing in from these two cases. I need some common thing so that every table can have out of this 6 and out of this 15. So you can see one thing very clearly. If I take 2 this and 5 of the violet one, that means 2 of the regular soda and 5 of the diet soda. So this can be that so there are 2 and there are 5. We can also have this here, that is 2 and 5. So this is another, this is table 1, table 2. So here you can see automatically I have 2 and again 5. So this is table 3, and you can see that out of this 3 table, in every table, each of the table, same number of your regular soda and your diet sodas are there. So how I have taken out this 3? So to do this, whenever you will see the greatest number of refreshment table, so the greatest number, it was written, if somewhere it is written greatest number, so that is nothing but your HCF, because HCF means highest common factor. So I am here finding out the common factors out of the 6 and the 15. That's why, because I have gotten the common factors, and that's why I know that this I can make the group of this number of soda cans. So if I take the highest common factor of 6 and 15, then obviously I can find out the answer, and the answer should come 3 table. So let us see. So 6, that means, so I am writing here only. So 6, that means it is 2, 3, 3, 1, and 15, that is your 3, 5, and your, okay, I'm writing it clearly, 3, 5, and then we have 5, 1. So our HCF, you can see, is nothing but 3 only, because 3 is common. So 3 into 1, that is 3. So our HCF is 3, and that is the case. So when, and the number, that means the Kamal can stock 3 tables. So whenever you see this kind of math where you have to rearrange things in such a order so that every arrangement has same quantity or equal quantity, and in the question it is written some greatest number of something, so in that all cases it is nothing but your HCF. Okay, so this is one kind of sum when you have to arrange something in such order. Acha. Now let us move to another sum category. Okay, and if you see here, this one is little bit different. At a family reunion, each of the son's aunt and uncles is getting photographed once. So how many aunt and uncles are there? Everyone is getting once photographic a chance. Okay, so everyone is getting chance for taking their picture. The aunts are taking pictures in group of 5, and uncles were taking picture in a group of 10. So they both are, so that means how many aunts are there? They are taking a group of 5 aunt. Like, so let's say they are like they are taking picture in a group. So they can have more groups also, like first group 5 people, 5 aunt, second group another 5 aunt, so next group another 5 aunt. It can happen. Okay, this is a possibility. And uncles are taking in group of 10 people. So in one group there are 10 people, in another group again 10 people can come, like that. Now I don't know how many of aunt are there and how many of uncles are there. If Sana has same total number of aunt and uncles, so the number of aunt, total number of aunt and total number of uncles are same. This is a vital thing. So total number of aunt and total number of uncle are same. Aunt can have 5 ka group, and I don't know how many groups are there. So groups are unknown, so it can be n number of group, okay, or any number of n, maybe a number, okay. So it can be n into 5 people in one group, and uncles are, I don't know, that can be m into 10 people in one group. So this is the scenario. Now what is the minimum number of aunt? So look at this thing. So in this kind of mathematics, either two things are possible. Either it will be LCM or it will be HCF. Now one thing you can see, this is a kind of trick, okay. It is minimum, but we know that HCF is highest common factor, but it is written minimum. So this is the lowest common multiple. Now how to find? So that means if I take LCM of 10 and 5, because group of 10 and group of 5 is given to me. So group of 10 means 2, 5, and this is 5, 1, this is 5, 1. So the LCM will be 5 into 2, that is 10. So that means there are 10 uncles and 10 aunts, because it is told that the number of aunt and number of uncles are same. Now the question is that, so now the question is that like how I know that this is 10, like why LCM? See, when you have to come to same thing, so one thing is there, see how many aunt, like I don't know the number of group, but they are taking photo in number of 5 people. So 5 into that number of group, whatever is that. So let's say n times number of groups are there. It can, n can be 5, 4, 6, whatever, any number. So it can be any number into 5 people. And uncles are also m into 10 of 10 for each group. So if m groups are there, so it is 10 into m, and that has to come to a same number, right? Same number. So that means it is LCM, because we know that for LCM two numbers can come to a same number. Like let's say I'm talking about LCM of 5 and this 10 here. So I know that 10 ones are 10 comes, and 5 twos are 10 also comes. So that means what happened here, actually one group of uncles has taken photograph. So in one group there are 10 peoples, so 10 uncles are there, and aunties have done in 2 groups. So in one group 5 people are there, so in 2 groups 10 people are there, that means 10 aunt. So 10 uncles and 10 aunts. So only possible ways is this one, that is 2 times aunt has taken photograph in a group of 5 people, and 1 times uncle has taken photograph in group of 10 people. So when you see minimum, you have to find out minimum. It is mostly LCM you have to do. If you see, you have to find out the greatest. In most cases you have to do HCF, that is the greatest common factor. Achha, these maths are a little bit tricky. Let's see this one. Sapphire and Abe are selling books at the public library. Sapphire sells 5 books at a time. So there are 5 books, and she can sell means putting the book into the shelf. Bookshelf, you know what is bookshelf? So when you put the book into the shelf, it is called shelves. Achha, it's a verb. So Sapphire is a name of a person, and Abe is a name of a person. Sapphire can sell 5 books at a time, whereas Abe sells 6 books at a time. If they ended up selling the same number, again you see the common thing. same total number of aunt and aunts. Acha, here also you can see same number of books. Which is the smallest? Again you see here. This is the minimum, written minimum. Here it is written smallest. So when it is small, minimum, lesser, then it is nothing but your LCM. But why LCM? See, if Sapphire books sell books at a time, so Sapphire in the first time she will do 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5. So first 5, then total she will do 10. Okay, then like after that, no, I'm talking about the total one. Okay, so at first 5 she will do, then more 5, so 10, then more 5, so 15, then more 5, so what do you say, 20, then more 5, that is your what do you say, 25, and more 5, 30. So Sapphire can do 30. So how many times she has to do? She has to do 6 times. So 6 times she has to sell, because in one time she can do only 5 books. Acha. Abby can sell 6 at a time. So first she will do 6. Next she will do 6 and 6, that is 12. Next she will do more 6, that is 18. 6, then again 6, so she will do again 18 plus 6, that is 24, and again more 6, so that means a 30. So you can see that 5 times Abby has to do, and in 5 times if she sells the book, so she will be doing again total of 30 books. Here also he will do total of 30. That means they both are coming to a common number. So when they are coming to a common number, so that is your LCM. So what is the trick? Here same number will be written. You will be asked to find minimum, something minimum or smallest. Second, they have to come to a same number. So when something comes to a same number, that is nothing but your LCM. So that means from 6 she can do, so she has to do 5 times. So total 30 books, what you say, Abby can do. And then this Sapphire can Sapphire can sell 5 books at a time, so she has to do 6 times, and then again the same number 30 she will do. So ultimately this is nothing but LCM of 6 and 5. So if you do the LCM of 6 and 5, you will get 30. So this is the way how you will understand which math is HCF and which math is LCM, because these maths are little bit tricky. Okay, acha. So let us move to a next one. You can see that for a dinner party, Abraham is creating individual servings of starters. He has 9 carrot sticks and 18 celery sticks. So these are some kind of food. Okay, carrot stick, celery, some kind of food. Achha. If he wants to each serving to be identical, so again it is coming. So each serving. So one thing you see, when he serves, so he serve in plates. So that means he wants to serve in such a order so that same number of carrot stick and same number of the celery sticks are there. So that means again he is arranging. So arranging means it is nothing but HCF. Why? See again here greatest. So in our first question it was written greatest and it was also arrangement. In this question again it is arrangement and it is greatest. So this is nothing but your HCF. So what is written? What is the greatest number of serving Abraham can create? So with 9 carrot stick and 18 celery sticks, how many plate Abraham can distribute? So we can do directly HCF and we can then draw it. Okay, so HCF of 9 and 18. So if we do the HCF of 9 and 18, so let us do. So 9, that is 3331. Acha. And then we have 18, so 293331. So we can see here that HCF is nothing but your 3, and we don't have anything common here. So we don't have anything common, so this much it. So that means Abraham can make 3 plates. So 1 plate, another plate, and another plate. Let me serve now. So what we can do, out of 3 is left, so 3 carrot sticks. So I will draw carrot sticks with red. So 3 carrot stick, here 3 and here 3, so total 9. And this celery sticks has to be like 3 plates are there, so if we distribute, that will be 6. So here 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. And you can see in this way, with this 3 plates, so plate number 1, plate number 2, and plate number 3, we can like this Abraham can distribute the plates. So when it is distribution, it is nothing but your HCF, and when it is coming to a same number, it is nothing but your LCM. Okay, the last one. To encourage public transportation, Rusum wants to give some friend envelopes with bus tickets and subway tickets in them. If he has 18 bus tickets and 12 subway tickets to split equally, again arranging, distributing, and again the word greatest number of. So he wants to distribute in such a way so that same number of bus and same number of subway tickets are there in each of the envelope. So again, this is nothing but your HCF. So you just have to do HCF. So remember, arrangement means HCF, and coming to a same number means it's LCM. Okay, it's a simple trick to understand. Achha, so HCF will be how much? You can see this 2 and this 2 is common, so 1 2 will come. This 3 and this 3 will common, so 1 3 is come, nothing is else there. So 6. That means Abraham can make 6 envelope at greatest, so that in every envelope there is equal number of subway tickets and bus tickets. So when it is arrangement, then it is your HCF, and when it is coming to a same number like this, then it is nothing but your LCM. This much is there. So today please some maths I have sent you, and try to do those, and I will see you in my next class.